I'm actually out of school now. I'm actually myself a teacher, and I'm an English teacher. So I'm going to talk about the topic that I loved in school itself, as in it was English. As in I'm an English teacher right now. I teach as in IELTS and TOEFL and all. So why I liked it because it was useful in the real life also. Whereas mathematics, science, and also social studies didn't have much relevance in the real life. English was used everywhere, and English has a glamour value also. So it makes me look, I would say, smart also. And it so happened that as in I chose this subject. I used to top this subject. I was always a topper in this subject. Maybe I used to get very low scores in social studies, and I was good at mathematics also. But as in it was something that I had something that made me stand out. And it helped me a lot in making my career, because I've been teaching English for about 4 years now, and I have my own startup now that is based on English only. IELTS it is, and here I teach people, I prepare people for English exams, and I've been teaching, and it helped me in the critical reasoning part also, because that is also based on only English. As in most of the question, all of the questions are based on as in some traps made by linguists, as in what the assumption can be, what the conclusion can be. So if you can't understand the English part, you are not able to apply the logic also. And about the enjoyment part again, as in the literature was very interesting. As in I've loved some stories that have given me both entertainment and values. For instance, that story by O. Henry, The Last Leaf. It was something that has been with me for throughout my life, because that emotional part where one friend is trying to save the other, and there is something that the stranger also does for one of the friends, and that's something that has taught me humanity, that has taught me how to be helping others. And enjoyment apart from that was because I knew English. I was good at English. I could understand English movies also, English shows also. That also was a perk. And I've been helping people with it. I've become more, I would say, charitable because of English, because I can teach poor people. Most of the Indian students want to go to Canada. For that, they have to pass the exam called IELTS. So I can teach them for free if they are not, I would say, financially sound enough. So that has made me more, I would say, altruistic also. So it's a great subject by any stretch of imagination. And as in the grammar also, as in I'm actually dubbed as a grammar Nazi sometimes, because but I'm not. As in I actually am very flexible. But learning grammar was a great thing, because I could make good sentences. I could make perfect sentences. That also used to make me stand out, because this person knows English actually, and not just some utterances that he has heard here and there. And that's something you should be proud of, and I am proud of it for sure.